Baked turkey.
Say man, we all about $1. Say man, we all about this business. Say man, you know we about our business. Say man, it's a box truck thing. Say man, it's a business thing. Say man, we all about $1. It's business thing. We up in here. Business thing. You know we up in here. Traffic light. Bad. Put back. Shit. Nothing else. Now where's E now? Okay, straight ahead. Yeah, we out here. Traffic light. VIP, and I'm using that TWIC card. It's gym right there. That TWIC card. Yeah, skip line. Talking like I know this, right? Somebody told me that today my first time trying it out. But either way, somebody gave me the game. I'm gonna give y'all back the game. Check me out. Where you? I thought I was gonna skip the line with TSA. Thought I was gonna show out on y'all, but I guess not. I ain't gonna regular line. Dude told me that I had to get on my ticket, and I was trying to tell him he was wrong. I really ain't know what I was talking about. Like he hating on me. He hated them. It's all good though. I ain't tripping. I'm in here now though. I'm here. Once again, welcome to the shuttle flight service to LaGuardia. See y'all in a bit, man. You know what I mean? Alright, y'all. We in New York. Got a connecting flight. Right from I got a connecting flight. It's all that was available for the time that I needed to reach. So, I'm going to Boston. Flight, 12 o'clock. The flight boarded at like 1. Yeah, that coming in was crazy, man. Last time I came on this way with the same type of landing. And boy, I saw the plane. Whew. It wasn't as bad, but it was different. We in Boston. We in Boston, y'all. I'll grab that rental. We out. Shut up. To go to rental.
Door closed. 33.
Yeah, I see everybody get his rental. But it's green. It's green. Being green, baby.
Remember my cousin's birthday, we went.
Y'all, end of the day, I guess. I didn't record. Yeah, I did record a little bit of me eating my food. Ate good. Went to a nice little Italian spot not far from here. At a hotel. Got to get up early in the morning. Got a meeting tomorrow. Yeah, we ain't gonna talk about what I'm doing up here, but what I'm doing up here, I'm doing something. Right? I will tell y'all fully what I got going on up here soon. But I am networking. Just know that. So we had food. Oh, let me tell you about the flight coming in. Oh my gosh. You know I had a connecting flight, right? So coming to New York, it was crazy. Flight going At one time I had squeezed my eyes like, ooh. I was scared, but I was scared. So now I gotta fly into Boston. I already know the pilot first thing he said, look, it's gonna be a lot of wind going in. Same thing. I said, man. The whole time I head towards Boston, I was like, man, I should have drove to Boston from New York. And but everything went good though, man. We here, it's good. I'm tired. I'm about to go get ready and set myself up, watch a little movie, and go to sleep. I got some snacks from Walmart. I got my water. Got three of those. I don't know if I'm working out in the morning. I wanted to, but I don't know if I'm working out. That's it for the day, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all. Morning, y'all. Top of the morning. Trying to get active, man. Trying to get active. About to go get some breakfast. Go hit the road. What am I doing up here? What you doing up here, Lando? A little networking, a little training. Y'all know me, man. I'm always setting myself for that next move. So that's where we at, man. But I might record a little bit. I don't want to give y'all too much as far as what I'm doing, but I will eventually later on. But just know it's some training to advance myself. And that's a little bit of network with some people. So yeah. Am I dressed for the cold or what? I ain't gotta tell so. Dressed for the cold today. But tap in with y'all in a few. We got a double tree. Look cold out there. Nice little hotel gym. When you come to the hotel, it's a pretty nice gym. Ain't too much better than this. I seen one or two, but ain't too much. Pretty nice gym. You over there? We getting ready to attack the door. Attack the door. Attack the hit the road all black today. Ain't nothing crazy. You know, with J's on the feet. I really gonna hit it with the 10s, but I said nah. I've been going super comfortable today. Jamaica on the neck. Boy, it's a little cold up here, but it ain't Florida. It ain't on Florida level. No. It's a little cold. So you know when you get cold, you just throw something on. Ice on the car. We should have cranked it up before. Look at this.
1,000 years later.
Not crazy. All right, y'all. This is Boston. I mean, it's not Florida. You know, there's nowhere better than Florida. But as you can see, it looks cold. It looked cold, and it was cold. It wasn't too crazy cold. Like it was comfortable enough, but I'd rather Florida over everything. You know, shout out to Boston. Enjoyed myself. Now we about to go to this bar real quick. Y'all check it out. This actual bar is actually inside the stadium. Like you can see inside the stadium from the outside. I thought it was kind of dope. You know, even look at the bathroom. Look at the stall. It's kind of creepy. This part kind of creeped me out. You can pee, then you're looking at the bar. That's creepy to me, if you ask me. But hey, it's different for sure, which is why I recorded. So I guess they won. Yeah, they won. I might go on the diamond. Alright guys, after a night of walking around, Boston is a beautiful city. It's not South Florida, but it's a beautiful city. We decided we're gonna go bowling. You know your boy is a striker. This bowling alley was pretty dope also, you know. They had a bowling alley upstairs, but downstairs they also had an arcade. After putting the whipping on everybody, you know, we did go downstairs. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. What professional. Orlando professional. We did go downstairs in the game room. That's my dog right there, Dan the Man. But I'm gonna show y'all the scoreboard. I did eat garbage. I came in second, by the way. That's all I'm saying. I came in second just because I had to let somebody win. I didn't want them to feel bad. Now this arcade, this is a grown man's paradise. Kids will love it too, but a grown man, we gonna love it. It's more so for adults. It was nothing but adults. There wasn't any kids because they have a bar and everything at there. Even though I don't drink it, I mean that's the first sign to tell you it's for adults. Now we're headed back.
No, that turkey don't want that. That been my
That's
dinner
a
on the
baked
thing.
turkey.
Just sit your own way.
You're going over there.
I don't want to get in trouble by messing with
You ain't gonna... We don't see no police on the road around here, boy. All right, y'all, it was a good trip. We definitely enjoyed our trip. Now it's time to go back home to the Sunshine State, where it's sunshine and it's cool and it's greenery, you know. We're headed back home. I enjoyed it. I definitely learned a lot. I will be implementing a lot of the things that I did learn. You guys gonna see. I'm gonna put y'all in, cause y'all family. For sure. This training was more so about hazardous waste. We're gonna tap in. So when you start seeing videos on hazardous waste, you know where I learned it from, right? But it was a good trip, man. I enjoyed it. All right, let's go.
Phoenix out of C22. Thank you.
We got hot in here. I had to take my jacket off. Whew. I gotta go find me something to eat, y'all. It was a struggle finding this thing over here. First of all, I missed the shuttle bus that took me to the rental place. Took me around twice because it was the wrong bus twice. Then I had pre-check-in, the one that the terminal that I had. When I got here, when I walked all the way over there, which is way across yonder, it was not the terminal no more. So I was like, oh my gosh. So I had to look up the information. Found the terminal, but it's way across yonder again. So I'm tired right now. I'm about to find me something to eat. I got an hour before boarding. Good thing I came here early. I came in like 3 hours, 4 hours early. I got here 3:47. My flight don't start boarding till like 6:50 or something like that. Early on time, you on time late. I be early for everything. I'll tell y'all about it. What if I was on time? Just on time. What if I was just on time or late? I would be looking crazy, but I would have been nervous. But yep, that's what it is. Yeah. Yes, sir. Back to the Sunshine State. It feels good to be back, y'all. It feels great. There's no other place like Florida. I don't care what you say. It's not up for debate. We know the truth. So definitely was a good trip. I definitely learned a lot. I will be sharing that information with you guys soon. So stay tuned. I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share, and do it again. Do it more than once. And send it to the other guy, the one next to you. Holla at your boy.